So, hello everyone, I am GM Islam. Today I show you like how to make a smaller or bigger or resize the taskbar for Windows 10. So it is very short video. So how to make a smaller, bigger and resize the taskbar for Windows 10. So let's get started. Okay, first we have to go to the taskbar here. In the mouse point I have to click when I click here it's showing the everything, right? So just uh, put it your cursor mouse point here and right click here, you see the taskbar. So right now my taskbar is the unlock, no, sorry, lock the taskbar. So first, if it is lock the taskbar, you cannot move like small, bigger, anything. You cannot do nothing. So first you have to do like uncheck this taskbar, then you can bigger this taskbar whatever you can see here. So like right click on your mouse, like you can here your mouse point here and go up, you see this taskbar is up and bigger. If you like make a smaller, then put it your mouse point here and go down. Yes, this is the way you can do it. And another thing, like, so then after that, once it is done, then right click again and lock the taskbar. So I can show you again. Just first you your mouse put it here and make a right click and uncheck the taskbar. Then you can put it your cursor here, you see in this skin and the taskbar, and right side right mouse and hold it and up, go up. You can easily make a bigger, and if you want to make a smaller, then put it here, go down. Just use the left mouse point. Okay, now you can put it. After that you have to make a right click and lock the taskbar. This is the fixed, you cannot move here. If you did not lock, it is move here and there. So it is done. So I think so you understand this small topic. So thank you so much. Thank you everybody.